Hold on, betting time. Play shovels. Let's see the play. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at the grid. What are people betting on currently? Look at that 32, 29, 27, 26, 23, 0 right there as well. And of course 28. So some hot numbers are in favor, that's for sure. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck to you. Let's see what happens now. And we would of course like to welcome some lightning numbers. So here they go, ladies and gentlemen. 3 of them big in the middle. 14, big 20 right there. 31 neighbors, by the way, 520. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the hottest numbers on the wheel. Here we go. High number, 26 Balaka. 1,181 winner Maniza hitting 1,000. All of us just 11,503 euros. Pretty good trim with a 9.5k. Big. Mr. LGI with the win as well. Betting time is also good luck. All my sessions with you are hardly good. What's going on? Well, I believe that just, Mr. Yeah. It just, sometimes it just doesn't click, you know. There's no click between us. 3 numbers. 10, 21, 33. Well, that's 156 and 21. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, another win for the cold number. Look at that, low number 14 red. It's not cold anymore. 1,067 winners on the 14. And MRP with the GHHB in the boxes with the top wins. Enjoy betting time. Yo, what? No, okay, Kev, you see, the thing is that the dealer has no impact over the game. Host has no impact over the game. Dealers also don't have any impact over the game, right? So that means that whoever is standing here holding the microphone, pulling the lever down, the winning number does not change. 8, 12, 17, 32, 200x, and 12 and 32. Good luck. We got another hot number here, ladies and gentlemen. 2 times it wins in just 7 rounds, and that's a 28 black. Third dozen, 1,076 winners. Maniza, 11,503 euros, and per usual, enjoy Trinity with the wins. Good job betting time. Ciao Mario, hey, Magic Mike. That's actually a very nice way to put the Magic Mike, that's true. Welcome, good to see you today. How are you? How are you? Betting time has ended, good luck. That must be 12 or 32. Where are the lightnings? Hello MX, lightnings here. That's a 10, that's a 25. Lightning numbers in 100x and 10. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, third cut third dozen tier section. Look at that, 33 black. 1,017 winners in that 33. Well done. Maniza with 11,500. It's crazy. Trim side with the wins. Good job. So as you can see, we only have 2 times 14 in 10 rounds, and that's the only low numbers we have in those 10 rounds. Crazy. So, hello Mario. Hello Mr. WLPRVG. Hello MX. Yes, prima dozina. Is that means first dozen in which language though? But first dozen doesn't seem to have that much success later, ladies and gentlemen, which is fun though. That's 24, 32, and 30. Wow, that's some 100x and 24 and 32. Ladies and gentlemen, we got another high number. It was a winning number exactly 10 rounds ago. 25 red, hottest number on the wheel. That's the number. 1,041 winner Maniza hitting 7,559 euros. Trim follows up with a 2,857, which is aimed at for sure. Betting time, of course, is open. Wish you good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, all the newcomers, hello. Welcome to the Lightning Roulette Studio. My name is Mario. Come on, come on. Let's play. Don't forget about the autoplay option, ladies and gentlemen. We are in trouble here. No, okay, no. 5, 9, 30, 22. That's a 50x03, by the way. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, we got another first cut and finally a low number that is not 14 red. Well, not far away. That's a 13 black. Bill Bond, 7 Agent James Bond. James Bond. No, actually Bond, not James Bond. James. So, voting actor, how can we entertain you? Please tell us. Where is the lightning cowboy? Ooh. Okay, we need to, take our lasso, spin it up, ladies and gentlemen, and throw it. Catch 2 lightning numbers, bring them here. Look at that 13, look at that 18 right here, 50x both. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, low number from third column. The ball ends on. It's ball red. 982 wins. Leisure train with the win. Maudi with the win as well. DI, WP race. Weather wins, good job. Look at that, we had 14, and then we had 13, and we moved down, but kind of up. We have 12. So, shall we expect 11 anytime soon, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, so apparently the ways of the Wild West, which is 4 W's in a row, aren't really working out here. Maybe, ladies and gentlemen, we should change our approach and do it in maybe Latvian, 14, 21, 23, 30, 34, 500x and 14. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, a 100x multiplier brought to you by the beautiful 21 red. 1,038 winners we got in the 21, 583 straight ups. Enjoying the multiplier by the Vishu. Top win is Andrew Mann inside. Nicely done. 2,856 euros is the top win. Beautiful. Well done. Place a bet if you'd like to continue playing. And of course, good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, not boring. Got him active. That's it. That's it. One lightning number. We're back on track. Okay, so apparently the Latvian ways actually work, ladies and gentlemen. As you see, the Wild West didn't work, but the Latvian did. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 numbers right here, 18, 32, 34, that's 350x and 34. Ladies and gentlemen, another win for the hot number. It wins all the time because it's hot, and it's hot because it wins all the time. 28 black. 1,009 winners in that 28, belongs to third dozen, but 19 getting 11,503 euros for that win. Trim boxes, MRP, and GHHB. Enjoy straight up club at the top. Betting time. So, right, 28 was actually a bit less hot than it is now. So now the hot numbers are 25, 26, 28, 27, 29. Not in the ascending order anymore. Betting time is over, and I wish you good luck. Chris, what's that? What's going on? What's happening? 3, 5 right here. That's 100x and 3. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, second column uneven. Now look at this high number. 32 red. 1,200 winners. Wow, that's a lot. Manaiza getting 17,419 euros. Huge win in this 32 right here. I would have to be egg. It would have to be egg. But why? Why? It's not about what is healthy or not. It's about what you love so much that you can substitute everything for this. 926 34, 500x in the hot 26. Ladies and gentlemen, we got another first column number here in the 2 final 3 numbers in a row. That's a 13 black. 1,166 winners in that 13. Hook up with the win, Daddy 007. Enjoy. Betting time. Rice with chicken. Good choice. And I also like go ham, you know. Some maybe add some, what do you call them? vegetables, you know, and crispy rice. That's nice. Many times over that. Because it's nutritionally complete. Yeah, but that's the question. Like, let's ignore the nutrition. Let's say that you're going to be able to live on eating the same food your whole life, obviously. That's not how it works, but 6, 17, 23, 100x and 17, 23. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, offline section first, column 31 black. 1,173 winners, Manisa, another 11,500 euros for the top of the journey. Newcomers, hello, welcome, let's play. Don't forget about how to play, and of course, good luck. So, creamy bunny, okay. Tofu, do you like, I don't know, I think I have something personal with tofu. I cannot eat tofu. Like, tofu for me is just, that's it. That, like, I cannot. Oysters, okay, good choice. Deer devil. Doing good game planning. Thank you, Roman. Thank you very much. 15, 19, 34. 150x on 19 and 34. Ladies and gentlemen, all right. 3 final 4 numbers in 4 rounds. First column, 13. 1,152 winners. Fuso, Gato, boxes, enjoy betting time. I dare you to not pull the lever. Well, I lost. Anyways, but why? What's the point? That's the way the game works. Pull the lever down, numbers goes away. Ladies and gentlemen, we charge the lightning, infuse some numbers with it, and of course, I wish you good luck. Betting time is up. Yeah. For me, the choice would be lasagna. I like lasagna so much, you know. 4, 10, 19, 500x and 10. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, balls in section, low number. 2 black, that is. 1,032 winners, Danny Young, MRT, Cats, for those winners without betting time. What is the point of the lever if it connects to nothing? Well, you may not see the wires, but maybe they're from the other side of the wall. Because that would be weird to have, you know, wires across here in the studio. That wouldn't look good, I mean, yeah. But it does do something, WM. You just don't see the wires. Why do you think it's not connected? 3 numbers here, 23, 32, 33, that's a 200x on 23, good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, another first column number. One of the hottest numbers on the wheel, aka the hottest. 25 round. 1,101 winner, but Isaac getting 7,559 euros. Got it, trim, enjoy. Batting time, good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, this 25-36 line is absolutely psycho. It's a mine, and you're the miner, and it's gold down there. Change this bet like dealer. I don't think dealers, or actually, I don't know any dealers here. I only, Mr. Cass is, we're hosts. You know, hosts. We don't deal anything. We're hosts. We host. 28 and 30, 100x in both. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, the second column, number 2, final 5 numbers in the row. That's a 35 black. 1,103 winners. A nice 11,503 euros away for the win. Gato, Suches, Playa. Enjoy betting time. This is so dry. Well, it is what it is, you know. There's no way to force a ball to land on a certain number, and then this number, you know, if it had lightning or not. It's all RNG. That's why it's fair. Betting time is over. Good luck. Then change this bet like host. Meso, do you have a substitution? Like, you could, maybe, if you can do that. Thousand 82 winners on that. Job, Jamie. Job, but all you got. Enjoy. Betting time is open. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Just a round ago, we actually had our hot numbers aligned again as a 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now 27 is a bit after 28. Though before 29, anyways, ladies and gentlemen, betting time has ended. Good luck. That does not change, so to say, how many numbers from that 6 line we have. We have it all the time. Maybe not lately, though. 3 numbers, 29, 32, 34. Huge 500x right here. Good luck. Well, there is a win for the sex line, ladies and gentlemen, and it's right now. Line number 28 black, 1,068 winners, Maniza with 11,000 as usual, and a half in town. Enjoy, betting time's open, ladies and gentlemen. Instead of a 29 black as a hot number, though, we have an 8 black, which is interesting. It's from TS Action, by the way. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we speak, the betting time is coming to an end, and I wish you good luck. Why no light? That's because the ball does not lend no lightning numbers, Mr. Adrian. That's why there is no light. If you got any questions, of course, feel free to ask. We'll answer 10, 13, 32. That's a 50x. Oh no, we good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, again, the same 6 line wins all the time. 10 rounds ago, we had a win for 30. Right now, the win goes for the 30 red. Even high up there. 1,117 wins. A nice guy of boss with the wins roll down betting time. Place your bets, let's continue playing. Ladies and gentlemen, all the newcomers, hello, welcome to the Lightning Roulette Studio. My name is Mario, I'm the host here. Got any questions? Go for them. If you know what how to play is, good job. If you don't know, try it out, ladies and gentlemen. How to play is a win-win situation, of course, for you and only you. Light. Come on, baby, like my fire. 927, 100x and 27. Good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, the only green number on the wheel is from Zero Speed section, and it's the 0 green itself, and that's the winning number. 1,083 winners on the zero. Ishigata 1871 Suches in MRP with the wins. I congratulate you. Enjoy, and may the betting time start now. Actually, we started a bit before, but anyways, let's continue playing. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is cinemas or are cinemas open in your country right now? Because they're closed in hours. 27, 32, 35. There's a 50x and all 3. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Lightning number, ladies and gentlemen. 32 red with a 50x multiplier. Here it comes. Beautiful. 1,224 winners in the 32 of all. What's going on? Maniza still hits his 18k and the 515 untapped. Trim with the 6,650.
So, 3,000 euros for Spinacino once again. I'm not really sure. Is it like Spinacino or like spinach? But hey, you know, if it's spinach, shout outs. I love spinach. Let's go, guys. Good luck, of course. See you. Honestly, feels like I'm back in 5th grade, Kate. So, let's see. 19, 22, 25. 250s and 100. Good luck to you. And we have a number, low, even, orphan section, 6 black, coming right up. Congratulations to 847 winners. Well done. Congratulations, compliments. Thank you guys for the game. Betting time, betting time, betting time. So, RBN, 16,000 euros coming your way. Spinach with 3.3 thousand as well. Looking great. Okay, hey, John Smith. Ladies and gents, levers down, bets are closed. Thank you very much. Once again, of course, hello, hello. Welcome to everyone who's just tuning in. Welcome to Lightning Roulette. So, John, how you doing? How you holding up? Let's say 0, 3, 6, and 16 with the lightning. Okay, 300s and a 50. Good luck. Third column, voice in section, 21 reds going to be the number. Congratulations, compliments, well done. Thank you guys for the game. Betting time's your. Are you a player of Dark Souls 3? What do you think? I am. I have played the game. I have finished it, but like, what gave it away? What made you ask? Ladies and gents, ball's moving, so no time to waste. Hopefully those bets of yours have been placed, of course, and as usual, you know, autoplay option helps you get there on time. So let's see, what do we have here? That's going to be 7, 15, and 28. 50 and 200s. Good luck. Ladies and gents, 0 spiel, high and on, 35 black is going to be the number. 1,000. So, don't be shy to do your thing, autoplay, right? Once again, kind reminder. And okay, once that is said and done, I do believe it's time to proceed. So good luck to all of you, ladies and gents. Actually bumped my hand, my fault. Okay, something big is coming up. 21, 29, and 31. Folks, 400x, good luck to you. Ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be 0 spiel, high and odd, 35 black. Congratulations to all of our winners. Compliments, thank you, well done. Betting time is at your service. Orphan section, 14 red. Second column, second dozen number. So, 1,193 winners on this one. Well done, my compliments. Thank you for the game. So let's see. Gray with a 2.6 thousand euro win, looking amazing. Okay, Casino Poppy with 1.3 thousand. Dimi, 1.1. Looking good, well done, keep it going. And ladies and gents, levers down. Good luck to all of you. Okay, so, eyes on the prize, let's find out what we're working with. Okay, one single number, and that's going to be a 6 with a 200x. Good luck to you guys. Okay, ladies and gents, high even voice in section, 28 blacks coming right up. One of the cold numbers, you know, it's cool off a little bit. 1,043 winners, 3,000 euros going out to you, RBN. Very nice, very good, congratulations. Okay, once again, folks, don't forget about the autoplay option, right? Super nice, super good, comes in handy, believe it or not. And delivers down, so, well, no more bets, ladies and gents. Now the fun begins, right? Did I defeat Midder on Dark Souls 3? I did, yes. I finished both the DLCs as well. Ladies and gents, 318 and 33, 250. Ladies and gents, finishing things with 27 red from the tier section. Congratulations, compliments. Ladies and gents, Barrett's here. Cheers, guys. Enjoy.
Never fear, Barrett's here, or ever fear, because Barrett's here. Have a nice one, Chris. All right, ladies and gents, hopefully you are very excited. As always, I heard that apparently there was not a single multiplier. Well, bets are closed. I hope we can turn it around, do a 180. Bam, it's $1,067 total winners. RBN, that is does exist. Three lighting numbers 7, 14, and 20. That's 200x on 14. Looking good. Dozen, the exact same number as last round. It is the 20. Multipliers, the number I mean is 27. Third column and third dozen. So the last few ones are from right over yonder. 158 total winners. Let's try to pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers. Go get them. Final moments to finalize our decisions. Bets are closed. That's the highest number you can have. TN section, 36 red. Last four numbers are from the third dozen. We've yet in my session from the second dozen. Bets are closed. 27 is from the third dozen, by the way. Bab. two lighting numbers, 20. Okay, we have a multiplier. 28. A 50x. The disco ground is going crazy, but it is a 50x. 640 lighting winner. It's Mohammed with 6,626. But the second top winner with squares has a lighting win with 1,841 years. Cooler than you, Sonny. We got three multiple. Lighting numbers 6, 8, 36, 250 X's. And by the way, this one is my favorite roulette number. Last few seconds left. Like it says, last round was nothing. Do you mean the multiplier? You're close. So for a second there, the 17 was a low number from the second dozen. And now again, we go back to the third dozen. Ooh, finally, LOL. That was a reaction to the multipliers, right? It was